Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day this video. I am going to start up the 20 GPU rig. I am going to add 6 more GPUs to the 20 GPU mining. Well, actually, this is a 19 GPU mining frame. So we're going to have to get creative, and actually, I'm going to try to add 7 on this row, not 6, as, yeah, I'm hoping to get 7 here. Okay, then another 7, and then I will do another 6 at the top. So that should equal 20 GPUs. And the whole thing, okay, I am starting this video in part number 6, I believe. It's been 8 months since the previous, I guess, 20 GPU mining rig video. As most of you may know or may not know, I guess it's a meme now. I have 20 of these 50HXs here. Well, I think 21 or 22. And I'm gonna see if I can get all 20 of them to show up on this 20 GPU mining motherboard. It's got 20 USBs on it, okay? And it's the Asus H370 Mining Master motherboard, okay? Just to give you guys a refresher of what I got here. And I'm using Windows. Now, I don't have to use Windows. The reason why I'm using Windows is because in past history, there was a limitation with Hive OS. I could only get up to 16 or 17 GPUs, as some of you guys may have seen other videos before. But just recently, looks like I have been beaten by a gentleman named Backwards Miner. Backwards Miner has been able to get, I think, 36 or 37 GPUs on one rig. So subscribe to that guy. I have a link down below. I'm just getting some information from him how he is doing that. I believe he's using an operating system called MMPOS. It's like another Hive OS operating system for GPU mining. Otherwise, I'm gonna try to complete this and get this going now, okay? So Bitcoin is, I believe it did hit 88,000 as of recording earlier. But before I begin, guys, thank you for today's video sponsor, CoinMiningCentral.com. If you guys are looking for the top ASIC miners, they got a sale going on right now for the Litecoin / merge mining Dogecoin ASIC miners. Use code RPM for about $125 off each ASIC miner ordered. Link down below. Okay, so what I want to do first, before I even add more GPUs, I kind of want to cable manage it first, because right now I do have some veteran miner cables here, but they are a bit too long, and so I did order a bunch of shorter ones from him recently. So what I want to do first is replace them with these shorter ones, and then I'm going to continue on adding the second row of GPUs. So we're going to see if we can get 13 or 14 GPUs today in this video. Then I'm going to keep on milking this project until I make like 10 videos, all right? But I promise the next one, I'll add the third row and we'll see if we can get 20 to work. But I gotta do this in steps or else I'm gonna get overwhelmed. All right, so just to confirm with you guys, I do have it mining right now. Carlson, just testing Carlson here. 7 GPUs show up in Windows Device Manager. So now I'm gonna turn this off and I wanna replace the cables. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. Let's close this. Let's go shut down. Shut down. Okay. All right. Then, yeah, we're gonna just make this nicer. I'm gonna cable manage the cables, the USBs. All right, so I'm gonna do it real quick. Nothing fancy, no time lapse. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you go. Much better. Look at that. No more excess cable. Cable manage the PCIe for the risers as well. The riser cables, the USB cables going into the motherboard. A little bit cable managed there. And then, yeah, shorter PCIe cables for the GPUs, okay, which I'm using a splitter on each one because, yeah, I need to. Otherwise, I don't want to use double the PCIe cables going into each GPU. These are 50HXs, so really I'm only mining at between like 100 or sometimes between 70 to 120 watts, depending on the algorithm. So this is definitely okay for my use here. Got to be mindful of the overclocks that I use, of course. But yeah, the veteran miner, I'm gonna use these cables for something else. If you guys are interested in any custom PCIe cables, go check out gpucables.com or theveteranminer.com. Link down below. All right, let's turn this thing on. Okay, so there's definitely a process here. I'm gonna turn on the parallel miner breakout board first. Okay, make sure all the GPUs are on, all the risers are on. Yep, okay, and now I need to turn on the motherboard because the motherboard doesn't turn on automatically. There is a power button here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is turning on. Okay, now it something should show up on the screen here. It does take a bit. Every time I unplug the power, reset everything, it may say F1 to continue. Of course, I didn't plug in the monitor, so we're not gonna see anything. That's obvious, and I need the mouse and keyboard too. Okay. And yeah, it's in Windows. And of course, this wouldn't be a video if all 7 didn't show up. Looks like we only got 6 to show up. I'm gonna assume probably a USB might have got dislodged. All right, let me restart and see if I can plug in all the USBs. Just triple check all the cables are plugged in. Okay, booting up. Oh, no, we got an error on the 3rd one. I triple checked all the cables, so it must be this one. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, and then we're gonna see what this 3rd GPU is doing. There we go. Okay, so all I did was take out the USB on the 3rd GPU here and just re-plugged it in. So yeah, everything is looking like it's good. Let's check the device manager. There we go. Okay, 750 HXs. All right, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Let's begin on the 2nd row. I'm gonna add the 1st GPU in a snap here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, just added 1. I just wanna see if this actually works on this power supply, and it shows up in the device manager for 8. So let me just do this real quick. So process, I gotta turn on this one first. Okay, looks like that's on. Yeah, I don't have the floppy connector that goes to the other parallel miner one to tell this one to turn on, or tell this one to turn on when I turn this one on. So I have to do turn on this one now. Okay. Okay. All right, now turn on this one. Okay, let's see if it shows up now. And let's see if we can see 8. Okay, we should see 8 on that initial boot up screen. If I do see 8, then we're good. Yes, 8. Okay, that's good. All right, that's good enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna add 7 more somehow. Okay, so this might take me a while, but I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that took me like, I'd say about an hour to get the 6. I didn't get 7 installed because I didn't have my drill to drill out another hole for just to screw in a GPU. I'm gonna save that for the top row. Right now there's 6 at the top here, so I'm gonna do a 7th one over here in the next video, I promise, okay? But anyways, I got 6 for now, okay? All the cables, semi-cable managed, got the Dell PSU. Some of you guys may be wondering what PSUs am I running on these power supplies here. So I'm running the Dell 1400 watt. Okay, this is where I bought them from Parallel Miner when they were going for, I think, about 15 bucks. I think it was like maybe a year ago. And I bought a whole bunch actually. And I wonder, you know, as we're ramping up here, I wonder if the power supply prices are gonna go up. So link down below to Parallel Miner if you guys need to stack up on stuff before things start getting, you know, too crazy and more expensive. Oh wait, I do have the floppy cable. Ah, yes, I do have it. Okay, so this is what essentially interconnects the breakout boards together. So you know what, let me try that. If I turn on this power supply, then it should turn on this one as well. You know what, I'm gonna save that for another video. Let me just do this how I would normally do it. So I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see if all 6 of these turn on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, making sure all the riser lights are on. Yeah, okay. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm gonna turn on this one now. Okay, the 7 on the bottom. Okay, let's turn on the motherboard. Okay, motherboard's on. And, oh my God. Okay, so we have 13. Okay, 13. We should hopefully see 13 on the motherboard BIOS screen, and hopefully the device manager. We're gonna see if we can get 13 to mine here. Okay, it's still thinking, it's still thinking. It did add a bunch more USB. Now, an issue actually that I have is the lengths of these USB cables. So I'm definitely gonna order like 7 or 8 more just in case. Okay, yes, looks like all 13 show up. Thank God. Okay, but we're gonna have the F1 on the keyboard. Okay, all right, so let's just wait for that to show up in Windows. Okay, device manager's up, and it looks like it needs to install the drivers on each one. Looks like there's 5 that showed up here. I wonder if some of them got installed. Let's go display adapters. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see if I count that right. Yeah, 8. Okay, and we got 5 here. So that's a total 5 plus 8. That means 13. Yeah, success. Success. Okay, so looks like I'm just gonna refresh here. Yeah, the Windows is installing the rest of the drivers, so that does take a bit. I'm gonna let that go, but it looks like we got 13 in total. Thank God. Thank the mining gods. Oh my God. Guys, I have to say, like, trying to build this thing, it was giving me like PTSD. I've built the 19 GPU rigs before, a couple years ago, or even longer than that, and man, it's quite insane to see this thing coming back to life again. The revival of this 19 GPU mining frame. I'm gonna see if I can get 20 to work on here, and then eventually maybe more. Okay, if Backwards Miner told me how to do that, so I may try to see if we can get like 32 or 37 or something insane. Oh my God, I may have to get more CMP cards or the CMP 100-210s, because I don't know, because it all affects based on the, I guess, the PCIe lanes, which I think these cards are gonna be X1 anyway. So yeah, I don't know. See, that's why I'm attempting this, to see if this Asus H370 Master can actually, you know, utilize on 20 GPUs. So one thing I'm curious about is I may have to switch off of Windows and go to MMPOS, or maybe try HiveOS again and see if I can see 20 GPUs in HiveOS with this setup, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna need to order longer USB cables, USB A to A, I believe, or B to B, something like that, male to male. And yeah, because it's just, these cables are just getting too tight. They're getting real short. This one here on this end was way too short. I had to move one existing one to another slot. So yeah, as I get to the third row, yeah, these cables, these riser cables, like the PCIe ones, is not gonna make it. All right, so I'm gonna order those right now, and then when I get those in, I'll attempt the top row, 7 more. Okay, let's just refresh here. Let's see if we got 13. All right, let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 13. Okay, let's try mining Carlson with this rig. Oh, you know what? I gotta run as admin. Right click, run as admin. Oh man, good old Windows mining. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's building all the DAG size here. Okay, how do I see more of the GPUs on this list? Wait, it only shows 5. What? It only shows 5 GPUs here. Wait a second, that's not right. Okay, I'm gonna restart. You know what? I think, yeah, normally after the device manager installs all the drivers, I should reboot the installation. Yeah, Windows installation. Okay, rebooted, we're back on. Looks like we see GPU 12. Yes, there was a GPU 0, so that means there's 13. Yeah, 13 GPUs on now, finally. Okay, gonna let this go. Let's see, we should be over like, I'm gonna say 1300 watts for the whole machine. Now, how can I see that? That should show up here probably really shortly. Oh no, it's doing the memory offset. Okay, now it's mining. Okay, yeah, now it's mining. Okay, let's give it a bit here. Okay, I changed the, I guess the window size so I can see all the GPUs. So there we go. Look at that, they're all mining. 35 mega hash on the Carlson, I guess Carlson hash V2. All right, 35 mega hash, that's pretty good. The whole rig is taking about, it says 1500 watts. I'm guessing 1600 with the motherboard. Okay, so that's all the GPUs. Yeah, look at that. Okay, 13. All right, but that's not the final goal. The final goal is to get 20. All right, we're at 13 right now. Okay, guys, there it is. I did it. Oh my God, I need to go get a 6-pack and a large pizza after this. I'm burning. My legs hurt. I've been bending the whole time. Okay, so next video. I promise 7 more at the top. I need to drill a hole, all right, to fit 7 because there's only 6 screws in right now. Then, yeah, I need to order longer USB-A, I believe, or B ends, okay? Longer ones that are going to be able to go down to the motherboard. Then I think that's it. I have the 1400 watt power supply. I have the cables, got the splitters, enough splitters, I think. And that should be good to try to get to 20. Then if Windows doesn't work with 20, then I'm going to have to try MMPOS or HiveOS. We will try that in the next video. Okay, guys, that's it. Let's go see Bitcoin's price. Oh my God, as of recording, almost $89,000 Bitcoin. So it was like 87 when we started, now 88, and then now it's almost 89. Okay, I'm super happy right now. If anyone's watching this video, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. If you got to the end of this video, themeterbox.com sent me a bunch of RPM RedPandaMining meter boxes. So I'm gonna choose 2 winners. So each winner, 2 winners, they're gonna get 3 meter boxes. So I'm gonna give away 6 in total, 6 of these. Okay, 6 RPM meter boxes and 2 winners. Okay, so 2 winners, 3 each. Just comment down below your guys' thoughts. Are we gonna be at like 100K Bitcoin? I guess maybe by the time you guys see this video, it could be 90K Bitcoin. All right, so just let me know your guys' thoughts about the crypto market. And if you're in USA or Canada, let me know down below. Comment down below. Choose the winner after 12 hours after this video is uploaded. Good luck. Good luck to the winners. And I'll see you all. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'll see you all in the next part. 20 GPU mining rig video. Peace out, bros. Peace out. Peace out.